Nail fungus, or onychomycosis, is a surprisingly common problem that affects millions of people around the world, regardless of age or lifestyle. It's one of those issues that can sneak up on anyone, often starting so subtly that you might not even notice it at first. The culprit is a tiny fungus that finds its way under your fingernail or toenail, where it can quietly multiply. These microscopic invaders are persistent and can be tough to get rid of once they settle in. Fungi love warm, dark, and moist environments, making the inside of your shoes or sweaty socks the perfect breeding ground. If you're someone who spends long hours in closed footwear, or if your feet tend to sweat, you're at an even higher risk. The infection often starts as a small white or yellow spot under the tip of your nail, but if left unchecked, it can spread deeper, causing the nail to thicken, become discolored, and sometimes even painful to the touch or when walking. Nail fungus isn't just a cosmetic concern. Over time, it weakens your nails by feeding on keratin, the very protein that gives your nails their strength and resilience. This can leave your nails brittle, crumbly, and more prone to breaking. You can pick up nail fungus in places where many people walk barefoot, like public pools, gym showers, and locker rooms. These environments are often damp and humid, making them ideal for fungal growth. Sharing personal items like nail clippers, files, or even towels can also spread the infection from one person to another, especially if someone already has a fungal problem. Walking barefoot in damp, shared spaces increases your risk even more. Fungi can linger on wet floors waiting for the next bare foot to come along. If left untreated, the infection can become severe, causing the nail to crumble, split, or even separate from the nail bed entirely. This can make everyday activities uncomfortable and may even lead to further complications. That's why tackling nail fungus early is so important. The sooner you start treatment, the easier it is to stop the infection from spreading and to restore your nails to health. Think of nail fungus like a weed in your garden. If you ignore it, it can quickly take over, crowding out the healthy parts and making recovery much harder. By learning about nail fungus, you're already taking the first step toward healthier, stronger nails. Knowledge is power, and understanding how this infection works helps you protect yourself and your loved ones. Protect yourself by being mindful of where you walk barefoot, always using your own nail care tools, and keeping your feet clean and dry. Simple habits can make a big difference. Early action not only makes treatment easier and more effective, but it also helps you avoid the frustration and discomfort that come with advanced infections. So, let's get started on how to fight back against nail fungus and reclaim healthy, beautiful nails, one step at a time. Spotting nail fungus early makes a big difference. The sooner you notice the warning signs, the easier it is to treat and prevent the infection from spreading. Many people overlook the first subtle changes, but being observant can save you from months of discomfort and frustration. Look for a small white or yellow-brown spot near the tip or side of your nail. This is often the first visible sign that something isn't right. It might seem harmless at first, but it's actually the earliest stage of a fungal infection taking hold. As the infection grows, nails become thicker, harder to trim, and change color, yellow, brown, or even black. The nail may start to look dull and lose its natural shine, making it stand out from your healthy nails. The nail may lose its shine, become brittle, and debris can build up underneath. This debris is often crumbly and can make the nail look dirty, even if you wash your hands or feet regularly. Sometimes the nail lifts away from the nail bed, creating space for more fungus and bacteria. This separation can be painful and may make the nail feel loose or unstable when you touch it. You might notice tenderness, discomfort, or a faint foul odor. The area around the nail can become red or swollen, and wearing shoes might start to feel uncomfortable. Advanced cases can cause the nail to grow in a distorted way or break off in pieces. The nail may become so damaged that it crumbles at the edges or splits down the middle, making everyday activities more difficult. These changes are your signal to act quickly. Ignoring them can allow the infection to spread to other nails or even to people you live with. Don't ignore even small changes. Early treatment is much more effective. Over-the-counter antifungal treatments work best when the infection is caught early, before it has a chance to dig in deeper. Nail fungus can be stubborn, but catching it early gives you the best chance for a full recovery. With patience and consistent care, you can restore your nails to their healthy state. Pay attention to your nails' color, thickness, and texture. Regular self-checks can help you spot changes before they become severe. If you notice any of these signs, it's time to start treatment. Don't wait for the problem to get worse. Early action can prevent long-term damage and help you avoid more aggressive treatments later on. Healthy nails start with awareness. By staying alert to changes and acting quickly, you can keep your nails strong, clear, and beautiful for years to come. Tea tree oil is a powerful natural remedy for nail fungus. Sourced from the Melaleuca alternifolia tree in Australia, it's been used for centuries to treat infections. Its antifungal, antiseptic, and antibacterial properties make it a top choice for those seeking natural solutions. Unlike some chemical treatments, tea tree oil is gentle and can be applied directly to the nail. Modern studies support its effectiveness, thanks to active compounds like terpenin 4-ol. It's a safe, plant-based way to fight stubborn nail fungus. Let's see how to use it for best results. Using tea tree oil for nail fungus is straightforward, but the real secret to success is making it a part of your daily routine. Many people try it once or twice and give up, but the key is to stick with it. Think of it as a self-care ritual that not only helps your nails but also gives you a moment to focus on your well-being. Begin by washing your hands and the affected nail thoroughly. Cleanliness is crucial to prevent spreading the fungus and to ensure the oil can do its job. Use warm water and a gentle soap, then dry your hands and nails completely with a clean towel. Moisture can make fungal infections worse, so don't skip this step. Next, trim the infected nail as short as you comfortably can. This helps remove as much of the damaged nail as possible. After trimming, gently file the surface of the nail. This roughens it up just enough to help the tea tree oil penetrate deeper, reaching the fungus where it hides. Now it's time to prepare your treatment. Pure tea tree oil is powerful, but it can be harsh on sensitive skin. To avoid irritation, mix a couple of drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil like coconut, olive, or even jojoba oil. This not only dilutes the oil but also helps it spread more easily over the nail and surrounding skin. Using a clean cotton swab or a small brush, apply the oil mixture directly onto the nail. Make sure to cover the entire nail surface, the edges, and especially underneath the tip where fungus often lingers. Take your time to ensure every part is coated. Gently massage the oil into the nail and surrounding skin for about a minute. This helps with absorption and stimulates blood flow, which can support healing. After massaging, let your hands air dry completely. Avoid wiping off the oil. Give it time to soak in and work its magic. It's important to avoid putting on socks, gloves, or shoes until the oil has fully absorbed. Trapping moisture can slow your progress and even make the infection worse, so let your nails breathe for a while after each treatment. For the best results, repeat this process twice a day, once in the morning and again at night. Consistency is your best friend here. Setting a reminder on your phone or adding it to your daily routine can help you remember. Be patient and realistic with your expectations. Nails grow slowly, and it can take several months to see a completely healthy new nail grow in. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Healing takes time. Make your treatment a non-negotiable part of your day. Mark your progress on a calendar or keep a journal to stay motivated and track improvements no matter how small. Don't skip days. Fungus is stubborn and missing treatments can set you back. Remember, persistence and dedication are what will help you win this battle. With daily care and patience, you'll start to notice gradual improvements. Celebrate each small victory as your nails become clearer and healthier. Now that you know how to use tea tree oil, let's explore why it's such a powerful remedy for nail fungus. Tea tree oil's power comes from its unique chemistry, especially terpenin 4-ol. This compound attacks fungus by breaking down its cell walls, killing it at the source. It also stops the fungus from spreading by preventing it from making new spores. Tea tree oil's anti-inflammatory properties soothe redness and irritation around the nail. The oil works from the outside in, seeping through the nail to reach the fungus underneath. That's why trimming and filing the nail is so important. It helps the oil get where it's needed. Daily application ensures a steady supply of antifungal compounds. Over time, as the infected nail grows out, a healthy new nail takes its place. The process is gradual, but the results are worth it. Tea tree oil offers a natural, science-backed way to clear up nail fungus. Stick with it, and you'll see healthier nails emerge. Now, let's talk about keeping your feet healthy during treatment. Good foot hygiene boosts your treatment and prevents reinfection. Wash your feet daily and dry them thoroughly, especially between the toes. Choose moisture-wicking socks and breathable shoes. Avoid cotton if your feet sweat. Change socks daily, and rotate shoes to let them dry out. Give your feet a weekly soak with Epsom salts or vinegar to soften nails and kill surface fungus. Always dry your feet well after soaking. Use separate nail clippers for infected nails, and disinfect tools after each use. Never share nail care tools with others. These habits help your treatment work better and stop the fungus from spreading. Simple changes make a big difference in your recovery. Healthy feet are your best defense against future infections. Stay consistent with these habits for lasting results. Prevention starts with daily care. Once your nails are clear, prevention is key. Always wear sandals or shower shoes in public, damp places like gyms and pools. Choose shoes that fit well and allow your feet to breathe. Let your feet air out at home whenever possible. Support your immune system with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and enough sleep. Be cautious at nail salons. Make sure tools and foot baths are properly disinfected. Bring your own tools if you're unsure about cleanliness. Small steps can prevent a big problem from returning. Protect your nails by making these habits part of your routine. Prevention is easier than treatment. Keep your nails healthy for the long term. Sometimes home remedies aren't enough. If you see no improvement after several months, or if the infection is severe, see a doctor. People with diabetes, poor circulation, or weakened immune systems should consult a doctor before starting treatment. Significant pain, redness, swelling, or pus are signs you need medical help right away. A doctor can diagnose the problem and recommend stronger treatments if needed. Sometimes other conditions mimic nail fungus, so a professional diagnosis is important. Don't hesitate to seek help if you're unsure. Your health and safety come first. Treating nail fungus takes time and patience, but every step counts. Celebrate small wins like seeing a sliver of healthy nail grow in. Remember, you're not alone. Millions face this issue. By learning and taking action, you're already on the path to healthier nails. Share your journey with others for support and encouragement. Stay positive and persistent. Your daily efforts add up. Imagine your nails growing in clear and strong. With consistency, you'll see results. Healthy habits protect you now and in the future. You have the power to heal naturally. Keep going. Your healthy nails are within reach.